Hello guys, watch full video and understand the polynomial exercise 2.2. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Start exercise 2.2. So before going to start that, I'll take on one example. That is example 1. Okay, that is x square plus 7x plus 10. So first I'll explain this, then you'll understand exercises easily. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. These things you learnt in the quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, like this you learnt in a 7th standard. Yes, so we'll do that. First thing, x square plus 7x plus 10 in this. So in C place what is there? 10. So in A place what is there? 1. So always we have to multiply A into C. A into C, 1 into 10 is 10. So when we'll multiply these two number, so that same number should, if we'll add or subtract, we should get 7. So for example, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. Okay. Now, so we'll write in place of 7 here, x square plus 5 plus 2 x plus 10. Multiply with that. X square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. So in this, which one is the common? So here x is the common, remaining x plus 5. Plus in these two what is common? 2, because x plus 2 5s are 10. So inside the bracket always it should be same. So you have to thorough with that. Inside the bracket always it should be correct. So remaining what is there? X plus 2 and x plus 5. This is the solution. So when we find out this, x plus 2 equals 0, then plus 2 will go right hand side, it will become minus 2. X plus 5 equals 0. When plus 5 will go right hand side, it will become minus 5. So here you need to find out sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros formula you know, alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. Okay, so product of zeros is alpha into beta equals c by a. Now, what is b here? So in place of b what is there? 7 minus as it is 7 by, in place of a, 1. So answer is minus 7. Next c. In place of c what is there? 10. 10 by 1. So answer is 10. Here exercise 2.2, first question, x square minus 2x minus 8. So I told you it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So a into c will be minus 8. So always you should think the table. So in which table 8 will come? 2 4s are, or 4 2s are, both also you can take. Okay, or 4 2s are. So here when you add or subtract you should get minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. But here we need minus 2, so that's why I'm taking minus 4 plus 2. So in place of b you can write minus 4 plus 2. Write down that x square plus minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 8. You can see this inside the bracket, whatever I wrote, that will be minus 2. Remaining x square plus into minus minus 4 into x plus 2x minus 8. Next you should take common, and means inside the bracket it should be same. In this what is common? X will be common, remaining x minus 4. So here should be x minus 4. So here also you should think same. Plus 2 if we will take common. So anyway minus will be there, plus into minus minus only. So x minus, how many times it will be? 2 4s are. Okay, 2 4s are 8. So I took 2 common. Then inside the bracket will be same, remaining x plus 2 and x minus 4. These are the equation. Now find out x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals minus 2, x minus 4 equals to 0, x equals plus 4. Okay, now we need to find out sum of zeros and product of zeros. So sum of zeros formula what? Minus b by a. Okay, product of zeros means c by a. Sum means add, product means multiplication. So in this minus b place what is there? Minus 2 is there. Okay, a as it is 1, minus into minus plus, answer will be 2. Then in place of c, minus 8 by 1, so answer will be minus 8. Next, third question, it is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. It is not in ax square plus bx plus c form, so first we need to convert. Ax square means 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now you write the formula ax square plus bx plus c. So a into c. Okay, 6 3s are how much? 18. So now in 18. So when you will do subtraction or addition, you should get same. 6 3s are 18 and 9 2s are also 18. We can write. 9 minus 2 is how much? 7. But here minus 7 we need. So greater number sign you can put negative sign. Okay. Now, so apply that 6x square plus minus 9 plus 2 into x minus 3. So 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. In these two, what is common? In these two, what is which one? 6 and 9. In which table it will come? 3. And x also is there. So 3 2s are 6, x as it is, 3 3s are 9. Here already you got 2x minus 3. So what we can take common? Plus 1. So remaining will be 2x minus 3. So here inside the bracket it will be same. Remaining 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. Find out here 3x equals minus 1, x equals minus 1 by 3. Then 2x equals plus minus 3 will go right hand side, plus 3, x equals 3 by 2. Now you do sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros formula will be minus b by a and c by a. Minus b place what is there? Minus 7. Don't take from the question. You should arrange the question and write. By a is 6. Minus into minus plus, answer is 7 by 6. C, what is the C value here? Minus 3. Minus 3 by 6. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So answer is minus 1 by 2. Next, second question will be 4s square minus 4s plus 1. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So I told a into c will be 4 1s are 4. Okay. So you know the table, 2 into 2 is 4. But here we need to get minus 4. So minus 2 minus 2. Can we write? Same sign will be always addition. So now 4 square plus, in place of minus 4 you write minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 yes plus 1. 4 square plus into minus minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. Now you should take in here, in these two, which one is common. Now in this 2 and s, remaining 2s minus 1. Okay, now in these two, what is the common? Minus, and 2s plus 1 is there. Once you will take to minus 1, remaining 2s minus into plus minus 1. So inside the bracket it will be same. You got the answer 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1. So what is the value of s here? 2s minus 1 equals to 0. 2s equals plus 1. s equals 1 by 2. Then same here. 2s minus 1 equals to 0. Same I will write directly. s equals 1 by 2. Now we need to find out sum of zeros and product of zeros. Alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta formula what? Minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a. So minus of b value will be what? Minus 4. Minus 4 by a means 4. Okay, minus into minus plus, 4 by 4 will be cancelled. Answer is 1. Now, so C, what is there? 1. A is 4. Here fourth question. In this, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx. C is not there. So, I am going to take, it will be C, 0. So, 4u square minus 8u plus 0, because it's in ax square plus bx plus c. In these two, which one is common? 4 and u also. Okay, so remaining u minus 8. So now you consider 4u as one equation and u minus 8 as one equation. Sorry, it's not 8, it's 2. Next, so u value will be 0 by 4 and here u equals 2. So u will be 0 only. Next, you have to do sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros formula will be minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a, minus b is what is there? Minus 8 by a is 4. Minus into minus plus 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So answer is 4. Next, C. C, what is there here? 0. 0 by any number is always 0. To convert 15 here, so root of 15 whole square can be written as square and square root get cancelled, 15. So in place of 15 we can write root of 15 whole square. So t square minus root of 15 whole square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Expand that. T plus root 15 and t minus root 15. Directly we know the answer. T equals minus root 15 and t equals plus root 15. Yes. Now again alpha plus beta. For every sum, if the last sum of zeros and product of zeros, always you need to find out. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha into beta is c by a. In place of b, what is there? Minus 15. No, not minus 15, because it is in 15 means it will be in c form. So you can take t square plus 0 minus 15. So it will be c, b and a. So here b value will be 0 only. So 0 by 1 is 0. Then c is minus 15 by 1 can be written as minus 15. 3x square minus x minus 4. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Always you should check whether it is in the form of this quadratic equation. So now, so a into c is how much? Minus 12. So here you know the table 12, in which table it will come? 4 3s are 12, but here we should get minus 4 plus 3. When we will do this different sign, it will be always minus. 4 minus 3 is 1, greater number sign is minus. Then 3x square plus minus 4 plus 3 into x minus 4. Next 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Then take common 3x square minus 4x. What is common? Only x. So 3x minus 4. Then here also as it is same is there, just you take 1. So remaining 3x minus 4. So answer will be x plus 1 and 3x minus 4. Okay, now find out the value of x. X equals minus 1, then 3x equals 4, then x equals 4 by 3. I am doing directly because I explained 5 sums. You should understand by doing last sum. Okay, next sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros and product of zeros formula is minus b by a and alpha into beta is c by a. Minus of, what is the place of b is there? Minus 1, a is 3. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3. Then c is minus 4 by 3 is the answer. Hello, here we can observe x square minus m plus n plus mn. So this formula, not formula also you can take, or just in place of b and in place of c they given only two numbers. Just you need to apply. First one is 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Okay, so here whatever is there you apply. X square as it is, you know, for all the questions x square is as it is. Minus of, in place of m plus n, what is there? 1 by 4 into x. Into x is there, plus m into n, what is there? Minus 1. Okay, do that multiplication because it's in fraction. So cross multiplication, 4x square minus x minus 4, because plus into minus minus. So this is the equation. Next, second one I'm going to do here only. So root 2 and 1 by 3. That's why I gave formula heading here only. You should take for all the questions same. So x square again minus as it is m plus n. It will be 1 by 3 into x plus root 2. So just to multiply, 3 into x square is 3x square minus x plus 3 into root 2 is the answer. Just one step if you will remember this formula again and again I am saying. Next, third one, 0 comma root 5. Now x square as it is, then minus is there, in place of m plus n what should substitute? 0 plus 0 into x is always 0, so plus root 5. So answer will be x square plus root 5 is the answer, because any number if you multiply with 0 is always 0 only. Next, fourth one, minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Okay, apply that. X square minus of 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4. Okay, do cross multiplication, 4x square, because denominator is same, so I am taking only once, minus x plus 1, or you have to multiply here also, it will be 4. Then sixth, fifth one, again x square minus 1 is there, you can take 1 into x plus 1. So answer will be x square minus x plus 1 is the answer. Next, x square minus, in place of m plus n, 4 you will write, then x plus 1 is the answer. If you know this one, you can write this one easily. So only you need to remember x square minus m plus n into x plus mn. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.